Hey guys.
Oh my god.
I got wavy. So Paula, sprinkle some magic. Hopefully, chaser magic.
You ready?
But let's see what we get.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Just drop it there. Whatever.
I know the cover.
Yeah, I'm
First one out
Yeah, the cover of the.
is
What are the next faces you want?
Pleakley. Paula's right here.
Either, but the other one was. Treasure. What other one was it that I said?
Okay. Let's see.
Your fucking head.
Yeah, we'll wait.
Ooh.
Oh. Did you really?
Yes!
Yeah!
Yes! Chaser.
It's Paula's good luck.
You go there?
Okay.
Maybe it was the other one.
Here?
You know. Yeah.
Oh, second pack.
We'll do it for the You want anything?
We got orange bird, which I do not have.
Yay! No juice.
No juice. Oh my god, this is so tiny. Bubble one.
Yeah.
I got R2,
We have to get the...
which I do have already.
Listen, I'm good at that.
Okay, third
You didn't
pack.
get the top
I'm gonna take the area
This
instead.
is the castle.
Yeah. I'll leave you with the trash can. That's the only trash can I've seen that you have in there.
I think I have another one.
No.
Oh
Oh
my god! Yes!
my god.
So it's good because that means that...
Doja!
Okay.
Definitely.
2.
And another
That's
card.
okay.
Yay! At least Cocktail is cute, so, you know.
Oh my gosh.
Super cute. Okay. We're on a roll. Let's see if we can get a third chaser.
I believe it. I feel it happening.
Manifest.
Yeah, manifest. Exactly.
Cinderella Castle. Cupcake.
Oh. So cute, though.
Bubble one.
Chaser wobble on? Maybe. Let's see. Oh, you can get that?
No. Mini.
She's a popular one today.
Yep.
She's a very
She's
popular
kind of like a
one
diva
today.
right now.
So it's weekly.
I know.
Okay. Last one. Right? Your hat.
You're fine. It's a torch for Mickey. Oh, that was
Sorry.
sorry. Ah!
Oh, no. I love
She's like,
it.
yes, mom.
That's my favorite.
Your last one.
Oh, we
Yay,
love it.
Castle.
Yay.
But still. Where'd they go?
Give me trash.
Open.
Oh, yeah.
I got the chasers.
We go.
Thank you guys for watching. And thank you, Paula, for sprinkling some. You're welcome.
I my
Bye.
nose.